inside the Bonifacio High Street. I wonder why there is a, I think it is, what do you call that? Spray? Disinfectant? Humidifier? I don't know. Maraming tao siguro dito paggabi. I will go to the 3D part. I've not yet been there. There's a lot of bench park here. And they are waiting for unknown. My brother's burger. There's a lot of, oh, there's a public food park. But it's not good when it's still sunrise. I'll fail. Oh, residences again. Global Center, High Street.